Alright guys, this is probably the last time I'm going to be talking about this powerful strategy. I've talked about this strategy over time. I keep bringing this strategy back because I know how powerful it is. I know how much we've been able to milk out of the market using this powerful strategy. But I think I have preached about this strategy enough, and I expect all of you guys to be in massive profits following this strategy, guys. So I used it for a trade again today, and I'm making a lot of profit already. All right, myself and the VIPs, we are doing a lot. We're making a lot of profits, and trust me, this strategy is the bomb. Don't sleep on it. I keep saying it. Don't sleep on it. Try to understand it. If you don't, I see some people still come to ask me some questions that I've already answered on this platform, right? So I'm doing this again because I want to clarify these things, right? Make sure you don't sleep on it, okay? Watch this video to the end to get full value. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here, all right? And if you have been using our powerful strategies, you can drop good reviews, all right, to help us too, all right? So this strategy is simple, it's straightforward, but it's very powerful. Okay, I keep saying it. It is what makes you profitable, what makes you better than another trader is the fact that you have better confirmations before you take a trade. You have better confirmations before you take a trade. And sometimes I combine this powerful strategy with moving average on the main chart. I'll show you the settings, right? But you can still use the indicators on your indicator window without the one on your main chart. But like I said earlier, the more confirmations you have, the more chances of winning, right? So what I do is I combine price action with these powerful indicators. And it gives me mad entries, guys. It gives me sniper entries every single time. As you can see right now, we are trading and we are making profit. You can see my position. You can see you can see my entry here, and that was because the moving average on the indicator window was just around here. All right, so just around here when I took that trade, and boom, it was a spike. Again, once price crosses the moving average on your main chart to the downside, you're expecting a spike. Okay, but before I get to this point where I use the indicators to confirm what the market is likely to do, I already know the market direction. On the higher time frame, I already know the market direction. I already know the market is in the downtrend, and I already know if the market is in the downtrend, I intend to sell. And I also know for me to catch spikes, I intend to sell from, I have to sell from my resistance. All right, so all of this is what you need to do on your charts. This is what price action helps you do. It helps you tell you what has happened in the past and what is likely to happen in the future, judging from what has happened in the past, right? So price action is easy. You just need to be under the right mentorship, and you understand better. As you can see, we're on a trade and it's moving. I'm making a lot of profits. All right, you can see we are running in massive profits, guys. We make money here every day, guys. We make money here every day. There is no single day without massive profits dropping in, guys. Massive profits. You can see for yourself. All right, did you see that? We hit our take profits every single time. All right, and for the past couple of weeks, this powerful strategy is what I've been using, is what myself and the VIPs have been enjoying. All right, so don't sleep on it, guys. Don't sleep on it. I'm showing you all of these things because I want you guys to see and be motivated. Okay, All right. So yep, this strategy is powerful. I'm gonna go ahead to show you guys the indicators right now. All right, this trade has been running. Okay, so these are the indicators you are going to be needing for this powerful strategy. Relative strength index on your indicator window. Of course, if you add your relative strength index, it's just going to automatically open an indicator window for you. All right. Okay, so you add relative strength index rather. This is period 14, apply to close, style 2 pixel. I'm using white background. All right, levels is 10, 90 and 50. Or I can just simply do it with the 50. This is where I usually exit from, sometimes, most times. All right, but you can exit from anywhere long as you have hit your target, long as you have you've made your profit. All right, so you're done with that. You just click done and add the next one, the envelopes. These are the settings. Period 70, shift 0, deviation is 0.9. Method is simple, apply to close. Styles 2 pixel, 3 pixel. Upper band is red, lower band is green. All right, so you just click done. Of course, you can use any colors of your choice, right? But I'm just gonna advise that you use colors that are visible on your screen. Okay, so this is my envelopes here, the lower band and the upper band. See the red area and the green area. The green area is where I buy from, the red area is where I sell from, but we are not yet there. So we go to the higher time frame. All right, you know the market direction. This is for crash. You want to be selling, you want the market to be in a downtrend. All right, so you identify your area of interest, your area of value, that is your support and your resistance, and you want to wait for price to be at your resistance. For you to be sure, you don't need to wait on a higher time frame to expect price to be at your resistance. Price might actually have left your resistance a long time ago, so you need to always go down to a lower time frame to see if price is still around your resistance or very close to your resistance or at your resistance before you take a trade. Okay, so you quickly switch to a lower time frame. Check through all the time frames though, right, to see if all the candles are telling you to sell. You need to see bearish rejections, bearish pressure. You need to see as much bearish candles as possible. All right, especially for the previous candles, right? So if all of these are met, you are good to go, guys. You just simply come down to your 1 hour time frame and 1 minute time frame and wait for your indicator to tell you, oh yeah, go ahead, do it. All right, wait for your indicator to tell you to do it. How does the indicator tell you to do it? This is what happened. This is when my indicator asked me to do it. On the indicator window, my moving average was at the 90 level, the red area, like I call it. This is where I sold from, and you can see there was multiple spikes, and it's still spiking. You can see we're still in profit. A lot of spikes. This trade has been running for a while. All right, so this happens every single time the moving average on the indicator window comes to this area, the 90 area, the red area, the bearish area, the overbought area. All right, what happened here is a spike, bro. You see that? It's a spike. I can show you more examples. You can see moving average is around this area, and there were multiple spikes. Also on your main chart, you want to ensure that you want to see the price spike cross your moving average on your main chart, like in the case here. You can see after this first spike, what happened next is longer spike, multiple spikes. You see, crossover and it kept spiking. It spiked the first time, crossed over and kept spiking. All right, a lot of money can be made, guys. A lot of money can be made. All right, you just have to know these things, follow the principles, and they are one, be on a higher time frame, the daily time frame or the 4 hours time frame. See the market direction. For crash, you want to be selling. You want the market direction to be in a bearish movement. All right, you want it to be in a downtrend. And then you want to identify your area of interest. All right, your resistance actually is your area of interest in the case here, because you want to be selling. You want to see price at your resistance, right? So your resistance is your area of interest, so you want to identify your resistance. You can do that using horizontal lines, you can do it using trend lines, you can use it doing you can identify it using what is it called, Fibonacci levels. You can use any of those. You can use moving average, right? But horizontal lines is simple. It's simple, so you can just use horizontal lines. Place your lines where you see multiple reversals, where you see visible, very obvious highs, swing highs and lows. Those are where you place your horizontal lines. All right, and then you wait for price to come to a resistance, and then you strike. How do you strike? You wait to see bearish candles, and then you sell. If you take a sell at that point, especially when your indicators have told you to sell and all the candles on all the time frames have told you to sell, trust me guys, you're going to make a lot of profit. All right, and this works exactly opposite for boom, right? It works opposite for boom. For boom 1000, boom 500, anything boom, you want to be buying to catch spikes, multiple spikes. You want to be buying, right? You want to make sure that price is at your support. You want to be buying from your support. You also want to ensure that the market is in an uptrend, right? The market has to be in an uptrend for you to achieve this, right? So this is it, guys. Follow these steps and ensure to practice it on your demo account until you are good with it. All right, then you can enter your live and make a lot of profit for yourself, and come to my inbox to thank me, because I love to see all of them testimonies, guys. I love to see them. All right, that is the reason why I created this platform in the first place, and I want to see a lot of people win. All right, you can chat me up. I'm going to be dropping the link to my WhatsApp and also to my free Telegram, so you can join us and be a part of what we have right there. All right, chat me up if you want to join our mentorship program. It's ongoing. The students are doing really great. Join us. Chat me up if you want to join the VIP. It's very affordable and very profitable. I beat my chest to this. You will not regret joining us, and I want to see you guys win with me, guys. I could do this by myself and make a lot of money for myself and stay by myself, but it is very boring at the top. I want to see all of us at the top, guys. All right, so take these measures, guys. Don't dull. Subscribe to this channel if you have not done that before, and turn on your notification bell so that when I post another strategy, I'm going to actually look for another better strategy, because I've talked about this one too much. I keep dragging your ears. I don't want you guys to sleep on this. I'm going to look for a better one, and I'll update you guys. Peace.